How to create a thumbnail like MrBeast using free AI tools. In this video, we will learn how to make a thumbnail like MrBeast. Step 1. Generate a thumbnail using AI. Step 2. Replace own face. Let's go. First, you have to download the thumbnail that you want to regenerate. I use this website to download. Then go to ChatGPT for detailed prompt. Upload this thumbnail and write "Explain this image and generate a detailed prompt." Then copy this text. Now you need to an AI picture generator. Regular I use pickleman.com. You can use any other image generator. Paste prompt that generated from ChatGPT. Select model. Choose image size. Select how many images you want to generate and then generate. Download the one you like. Now you need to replace face. I use remaker.ai. Upload thumbnail is here and upload targeted face is here. Now your thumbnail is ready. Thank you for watching.